You've done the hard part. You've honestly reassessed your relationship with alcohol. Maybe you've decided to quit. Maybe you've decided to cut back. Maybe you're not sure what to do. But you are sure that things need to change if you're going to enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to build. I'm Dr. Donald Crow. After 4 decades in emergency medicine and decades in recovery myself, I've learned that there's a huge gap between realizing that alcohol is holding you back and building a life where it is no longer necessary. Welcome to Second Act Recovery. This channel isn't about white-knuckling sobriety. It's about rebuilding momentum. We cover the brain science behind craving, the psychology of behavior change, and the practical steps to redesign your health, your relationships, and your sense of purpose. This is where professional experience meets real-world transformation. Giving yourself permission to question the role alcohol has played in your life is a brave first step. If you're ready to start your second act and build a life you no longer feel the need to escape, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Let's build your best life together.